This is Bilal Ahmed Wani, teacher, Government Middle School, Bhagwanpura Verinag, District Anantnag, Jammu and Kashmir. I am here to deliberate on the project titled Types of Sentences, Simple, Compound and Complex. The main objective of this project is to inculcate insight learning among the students and eradicate English grammar phobia. Students love to learn through activities. I put them in different activities. The activities of their interest and taste. In activity 1, what I did, I asked the students to identify the verbs in the given sentences. They did it with ease and comfort. In activity 2, the students were confronted with a sentence having 2 verbs in order to acquaint them with finite and non-finite verbs. In activity 3, the students were asked to identify finite verbs in the given sentences. They identified it with ease and joy, and they also came to the conclusion, they also observed in this very activity that the number of finite verbs in a sentence determine the number of clauses in that very sentence. That means if a sentence here in first sentence we have 2 finite verbs, so there are 2 clauses. In sentence 2 we have 1 finite verb, that means there is only one clause in that very sentence. Then in activity 4 the students were supposed to understand the structure of a sentence. In sentence where they find that there are 2 finite verbs, that means that very sentence is composed of 2 clauses, and if both the clauses were independent, that means independent clause is joined with independent clause by means of a coordinating conjunction, that very sentence is called compound sentence. And if a sentence having 2 finite verbs, that means that has 2 clauses. If one clause is dependent and another is independent, that means in this very sentence, in this very structure, we have dependent clause joined with independent clause by means of a subordinating conjunction. Such a type of sentence is called complex sentence. And in a sentence having 1 finite verb, where we have only 1 finite verb, that means that has 1 clause, and if that clause happens to be independent, then that very sentence is simple sentence. In this way, by means of this very technique, the students understood the concept very easily and comfortably and in a very smarter manner. And this very technique prompted the students to ponder more and more in order to get the desired conclusions under the facilitation of a resourceful teacher. This technique infused confidence and creativity in them. Hope you find this project innovative and useful. Thank you.